Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mahwish Aslam and I have done BS in Computer Science from Iqra University, currently enrolled in batch 18 of Interns Pakistan. My WordPress project called Trip Suggester is based on blogs related to traveling experiences of peoples and Pakistan's eye-catching places. Now this is our homepage which comprises of multiple quotes related to traveling and etc. This is our Beauty of Pakistan post. It contains posts regarding of people's experiences and mesmerizing places such as Hunza etc. By clicking on the read more button like this, it can display full post. Now this is Murray Hills and it has a small description. It also had navigation map where Murray Hills is located. I have used plugin to insert a map. User can also leave a comment or suggestion regarding post reviews. It also displays more post like this. This is another Hunza Valley. It also have map and leave a comment. Now we move towards another page, home page. This is our contact us page, which has our contact details like where our office is located and our number and working hours. This is a footer which has a social media links. Contact us form where user can enter their credentials and leave a message for us. Now we move towards about us page. In about us page I wrote about our home company. This is beautiful picture of Hunza with a small description. About us page all contains about motives, why, choose us and objectives. We move towards contact page. Contact page contains a form which I have used a plugin for it to insert a form. User can enter credentials and leave a email number and a comment or message. Now we move towards trips page. This is our trips page, aesthetics of Pakistan, where people post regarding reviews has been published. People can explain their experiences for other people's conveniences, like this review of Shigar Valley, and the date of experience is December 2017. Now we move towards our last but not the least page, sign in to our newsletter. This is our sign into a newsletter page. I have used plugin to insert a form where user can enter their credentials like name and last name and email for post updates. Now thank you. Allah Hafiz.